How to avoid getting scammed on Bybit P2P. I'm making this video to educate every crypto traders on P2P platforms like Bybit. I've noticed most people using this platform don't bother to educate themselves on how this platform actually work before using them. And eventually when they get scammed, they call out the platform and blame it. First, let me explain some things on how exactly crypto P2P platform like Bybit works. P2P platforms help traders secure transactions by holding crypto assets securely in escrow during a trade. There are three parties involved here: the platform, the crypto seller, and the crypto buyer. A trade can be initiated by either the crypto buyer or seller, and whenever a trade is initiated, the following happens. 1. The platform holds coins securely in escrow. A countdown timer runs. The buyer must initiate payment and mark trade as paid before the counter runs down. Failure to do so will result in loss of asset, as the asset is released back from escrow to the seller, since the trade is assumed uncompleted even if the buyer pays later. To avoid story that touch, always be prompt when making payment and ensure you mark trade as paid immediately after payment and before time runs out. Most sellers set 15 minutes, the minimum countdown, as the trade timer, which is enough for anyone to complete payment. The buyer uploads payment receipt and the seller releases crypto from escrow once they confirm payment in their account. How does the platform protect traders from scammers? The escrow service provided by P2P platform is what protects traders from bad actors. The crypto asset is held securely in escrow and can only be released by seller after they have confirmed payment in their account or by the platform itself in the case the seller refuses to release a coin or is trying to scam the buyer. This single feature makes it difficult for scammers to operate, as traders often need to provide evidence to the platform, which are difficult to fake in cases of dispute. The evidence usually requires a video recording of bank accounts showing the trader's profile, transaction history, payment receipt, account number, and other information to prove that they have truly sent a payment or they have not received a payment. These evidences are carefully evaluated by the platform, and the platform makes their decision based on these evidences. Either the buyer or seller can decide to file a dispute for various reasons. The trader will upload their evidence to the platform when filing a dispute. The dispute has a timeline of stages which involves 1. Negotiation between traders. Within this timeline, both parties have the chance to negotiate and settle dispute between each other. Failure to reach a resolution within this timeline will result in dispute being escalated to the customer service. The customer service joins the dispute after resolution fails. Evaluate evidence provided by both traders. If one party fails to provide their evidence or their evidence is not valid, the customer service orders the party to provide evidence within a given time frame. Failure to provide evidence within this time frame will result in the platform settling the dispute using the only evidence available to them. Now that you have known the basics of crypto P2P platform, the escrow and dispute process, it's time to know the rules of crypto P2P, tips on how to stay safe and avoid getting scammed. Rules you need to be aware of while using crypto P2P platform. 1. Never send payment using a third-party account. When sending payment, ensure that you are using your own account, which of course the payment account matches your P2P account name. This will protect traders from fraud and unauthorized payment from hackers, and ensure the person you are trading with is actually the owner of the payment account. Never use crypto-related words in payment remarks, as we all know Nigerian government has been actively cracking down against crypto traders. Using crypto-related remarks can put the account of both traders in trouble. Always read the terms and conditions of a trade and ensure you agree with them before initiating a trade. Many traders have their own terms of trade for counterparty to follow. Many people don't read these terms and as a result have issues which result in delay and dispute. You should avoid traders with unreasonable and phony terms. Always remember to mark traders paid after sending payment. Never release crypto unless you have confirmed payment in your bank account. Tips for staying safe during crypto P2P transaction. Okay, here is some things I have noticed about P2P platform. Scammer mostly target seller because they are the easiest to scam, and this is due to how P2P works. P2P platform is only able to hold a seller's crypto asset while buyer's payment is in their full control. Buyer has full control of their bank account and payment information, and unless they have their asset held down by the platform as well in form of bond or collateral, which is most likely not the case with most platforms. They usually have nothing to lose. So it's more easy for scammer to just target crypto sellers while masquerading as fake buyers with fake prices as opposed to scamming crypto buyers because of course they need to own the assets, and if someone is owning their assets they are more likely to be serious and genuine sellers. You get the drift. Always check a trader's trade stats before initiating trade with them. Things to look out for: time taken to release assets or send payment, feedback. Pay attention to recent negative feedback from other traders, and completion rate, the numbers of trades as well within 30 days. 2. When selling crypto, you will most likely see lots of offers above market prices. This kind of offers are mostly fake and should be avoided at all costs. Most likely these people put up offers above market prices so their offer can rank at the top and then negotiate a price different from what was advertised in their ads. 3. Avoid offers with terms that violate platform rules such as drop your number. You are going to P platform to trade within a platform and there is no need sharing your number to traders to complete trade. Sadly, there are lots of these kind of ads that should be removed from the platform. 4. Never accept payment from a third party account. I already mentioned and explained this before. 5. Avoid offers with phony terms. There are lots of offers with suspicious and unreasonable terms. These are clear red flags to avoid them. This is even more important when you are selling. 6. Place your own ads to sell crypto. It's often much better to create your own ad and set your own terms when selling crypto as opposed to selling to most of the fake or undesirable offers available. But be sure to be active and responsive if you are going to place your own ad. Comment on recent complaints about scammers on Bybit P2P on Twitter. Recently, a Twitter user reported losing 3,000 USD data on Bybit P to a scammer. Based on the information provided by them, the platform released crypto asset to the buyer when the seller, the complainant, hasn't received any payment from the buyer. Without much information on what actually went wrong, it's difficult to ascertain where the fault lies between the platform or the user. Yes, it's possible Bybit support might have been at fault here. They can and in fact do make mistakes, but it's also very common for many users of the platform not to follow the platform rules. In this case, there is a possibility the seller never submitted evidence required by the platform before the dispute timeline expires. This is highly likely to be the case. Remember I told you the platform usually gives a time frame for both parties to present their evidences, after which the platform decides based on the evidence available to it. The dispute progress, statuses and action required from both parties are usually communicated effectively to both parties through emails with reasonable time frame given to allow response from both parties. So while the platform could have fumbled things, let's not forget most users also don't follow rules and regulations of the platform they are using. This is why it is very important to follow rules and regulations and learn how the platform works before actually using it. If you can't, then you had better stay out of crypto P2P and use other trusted platforms available. Now, that brings us another question. What are the other alternatives to crypto P2P platform like Bybit? Alternative method to trade crypto aside using crypto P2P exchange. 1. Exchange using a trusted exchanger. A trusted exchanger could be an individual or business offering crypto exchange service. There are lots of legit individual traders and business you can trade with. 2. Trade using trusted crypto P2P WhatsApp group. Be careful here and make sure you actually trust the admin of the WhatsApp group before trading there. Just like P2P crypto exchange platform, crypto P2P WhatsApp group offers a platform, a WhatsApp group connecting both buyers and sellers of crypto assets together without the headache of using an exchange. Usually, this requires some level of trust in the admin and the traders in the group. A legit crypto P2P WhatsApp group is usually open to everyone to join, including potential scammers, and communicate freely so you can see firsthand the experience of those using the group. The admin usually offers escrow service to safeguard traders' funds during transactions. You can observe trades in the group transparently for a while before you decide to participate. If you would like, I can open a crypto P2P WhatsApp group for everyone to trade if I receive enough requests. So that's it on how to stay safe on crypto P2P platform like Bybit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos like this. It's free. Hope you have learned something valuable and find this video educative. Got a question? Don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section for answers from me or other knowledgeable trader watching this video. Thanks and stay safe.